Mastering reported speech. The shift from future simple to conditional simple. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another session where we dive into the depths of the English language. Today, we're taking a closer look at a fascinating aspect of reported speech: how we transform the future simple tense into the conditional simple tense. By the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of how to correctly use this transformation in your day-to-day conversations and writings. So, let's get started. In English, the future simple tense is used to talk about actions or events that are going to happen in the future. The structure is will plus verb. For example, I will go to the party. The conditional simple tense, on the other hand, is used to talk about possible situations that have not yet happened. It's formed by using would plus verb. For instance, I would go to the party. The transition from future simple to conditional simple in reported speech is because we are reporting something that was spoken about in the past. It's about maintaining the time perspective of the original speaker. When someone spoke about the future, from their point of view, we need to adjust that when reporting their speech, as their future may now be our past or present. In reported speech, when the verb in the main clause is in a past tense, the future simple, will, changes to conditional simple, would. For instance, consider the direct speech, I will go to the party. The reported speech would be, he said he would go to the party. We've changed will to would to reflect the shift in time perspective. Now, let's practice with some examples. Direct speech. She will buy a new car. Reported speech. She said she would buy a new car. Direct speech. We will travel to Italy next year. Reported speech. They said they would travel to Italy the following year. Remember, this change in tense helps maintain the time perspective of the original speaker, even though we're now reporting it at a later time. That brings us to the end of our lesson on changing future simple to conditional simple in reported speech. Remember, practice is the key to mastering this, so try to incorporate it in your English speaking and writing. Happy learning and see you in our next lesson.